guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rukma's Life. I'm a corporate lawyer based out of Mumbai who loves making YouTube videos. I make lots of fun, affordable and relatable content. So if that's the kind of content that you like to consume, do subscribe to my channel. आज के वीडियो में we are going to be doing a huge Zudio haul. Now Zudio, like you guys know, is like that hot selling cake जो कि अभी बहुत in trend है. Everybody is going to Zudio, everybody is shopping from Zudio. But before we start today's haul, let me tell you a few things about Zudio. The first thing is that even though Zudio is from the Tata group, don't expect उनके चीज़ों का quality to be as good as that of Westside. Zudio is a much more affordable brand, तो obviously उनकी चीज़ें उतनी अच्छी quality की नहीं होंगी जितनी Westside की चीज़ें हैं, but their stuff is pretty good. It's like definitely above average quality and आप definitely उनके t-shirts, उनके dresses काफ़ी ज़्यादा enjoy करने वाले हो. The next thing is that Zudio beauty section is not worth it because even though it's very affordable, लेकिन क्योंकि आप lipstick and face products and ये सारी चीज़ें directly अपने skin पे लगाते हो, it's always better to go for trustworthy brands and brands that basically just do makeup or beauty and not to go for a brand like Zudio जिसका main focus है clothes, right? That's definitely my perspective and that's my opinion. I mean, you can of course feel otherwise. And the third thing is, which I think is the best part about Zudio, is that whenever you go to Zudio, you will always find and feel that their collection has again upgraded. So they have change their collection, which is a really good thing. So every time you walk into a Zudio store, their collection is nothing like it would be the last time. They'll always have a fresh collection to offer, which is amazing. They have really good t-shirts and really good dresses. This time I focused more on dresses and like loungewear, and even Vivek got a few things. So without any further ado, let's get into the haul and let's show you everything that we got from Zudio this time. Alright, the first thing that I got from Zudio is a beautiful multicolored dress. It's for 999 rupees, which is effectively 1000 bucks. And I think 1000 bucks ke liye this very beautiful floral dress is absolutely gorgeous for like a weekend lunch or a brunch or like a beach vacay. It's absolutely perfect. So this is the dress that I am talking about. It's completely beautiful. Iske jo sleeves hai aise puffed sleeves hai. It comes with a short sleeve. Neck is basically like squarish. You have floral print going all over the body. You have like flowers and leaves and everything beachy, and this actually screams summer, this dress, you know, for some reason this literally screams summer. And summer start ho chuka hai, you guys. Yes, garmi is here, garmi is finally here. So we need more dresses like this. Ye jo particular dress hai na, I think for 999 this is completely worth it क्योंकि ये completely summer appropriate fabric है, cotton fabric है, very beachy, very flowy. मतलब waist तक इसका cinching effect है, और उसके बाद ये पूरा ऐसे flowy effect में आता है. So really love this one, you guys. And I actually got another dress, which is the next thing that I'm going to show you. This one is also a long dress, but इसके sleeves थोड़े से different है because this I think has 3/4 sleeves. I'm going to show that to you right away. So इसके sleeves are bell sleeves, लेकिन ये long sleeves में आता है, but very comfortable, very breathable cotton fabric. And इसका जो neck है वो V neck है, and ये भी absolutely multicolored है. This is not a full length dress, तो ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे short dress है, but this one is definitely like a full length dress. तो अगर आप अभी कुछ दिनों में Zudio जाने का plan कर रहे हो, definitely check out their dresses section. I think they've got some beautiful beachy breezy dresses which are absolutely perfect for the summer season. So next up I have a loungewear set. ये basically एक night dress है, night suit set है basically. एक t-shirt है and इसके साथ shorts है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा affordable है. So this is the t-shirt. This is absolutely so cute. Look at that. This is the t-shirt. ये basically light grey color में है, round neck है, again proper cotton, very comfortable breathable fabric. इसके ऊपर ऐसे candies and lollipops and ये सब बने हुए हैं, which makes me recall my childhood of course. And इसके साथ एक matching print का shorts आता है, which is this. This is the shorts. तो ये मैंने एक्चुअली 1 या 2 साइज ज़्यादा बड़ा लिया है मेरे लिए, बिकॉज घर पे आई लाइक टू वेयर लाइक लूज फ्लोई क्लोथ्स एंड समर में उतने टाइट ग्रिपिंग क्लोथ्स पहनने भी नहीं चाहिए, तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़े से बड़े वाले साइज में लिया है। इसका प्राइस आप लोग बिलीव नहीं करोगे, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल था। तो ये बेसिकली सेट में नहीं आता है, आप इंडिविजुअली ये टी शर्ट एंड इंडिविजुअली ये शॉर्ट्स भी ले सकते हो, लेकिन मैंने ये पूरा सेट लिया बिकॉज मुझे लगा कि ये मैचिंग बहुत ही क्यूट लगने वाला है। तो दिस शॉर्ट्स इज़ फॉर ₹299 and ये वाला टी शर्ट इज़ फॉर ₹299 अगेन। सो आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ दीज आर वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल। एंड मुझे याद आया कि मैंने आप लोगों को ये सेकेंड वाले ड्रेस का प्राइस बताया ही नहीं था। दिस वन वॉज फॉर ₹899 and the first one, like I told you, was for $999. I don't know why this is ₹100 more than this, I really don't know, लेकिन मुझे वहाँ पे जितने भी ड्रेसेस थे, मुझे इन दोनों के प्रिंट्स एंड इन दोनों का फील सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा एंड दे रियली लुक वेरी प्रीमियम एंड एक्सपेंसिव। तो बहुत ही अच्छे थे ये ड्रेसेस एंड ये लाउंज वेयर। एंड मैंने अपने लिए अपैरल में एक लास्ट चीज़ ली है, एक पजामा लिया है बेसिकली। इसका मैंने सेट नहीं लिया, मैंने सिर्फ पजामा लिया है बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक इंडिविजुअल टी शर्ट्स घर पे पहनने के लिए, बट पजामा का थोड़ा शॉर्टेज हो जाता है कभी कभी, तो मैंने ये वाला पजामा मेरे लिए ले लिया, विच इज़ अगेन कॉटन मटेरियल में है एंड इट्स इन दिस, आई डोंट नो व्हाट कलर टू कॉल दिस एक्चुअली। दिस इज़ अ नाइस लाइट ऑरेंज काइंड ऑफ अ कलर विथ नाइस प्रिंट ऑन इट, फ्लोरल प्रिंट अगेन। इसको ऐसे टाई करने के लिए, टाइटन करने के लिए ये जो है ना नाड़ा, बेसिकली इसका कलर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है, रोज गोल्ड कलर का ये नाड़ा है, वेरी नाइस, वेरी वेरी कंफर्टेबल, समर सीजन के लिए बहुत ही अप्रोप्रिएट है। दिस वॉज फॉर ₹399 again, so very very affordable yet again. Okay, hi guys, so I tried out the dresses in Zudio's trial room, but I didn't try out the night suit set and the pajama. I have a problem, I have a complaint with the night suit set and the pajama. They don't have pockets. They don't have pockets, that's bad, right? And I want to show you the length of the pajama. I think it's insanely long, the length of the pajamas, because I am 5'6" and मुझे ये इतना लंबा हो रहा है, so I don't know why these are that long. Do you see that? So long, man. Like, why the hell are they so long? Because of the length, I have a problem with the pajama. It's very comfortable. Let me tell you that. The fabric is very comfortable. It's very soft, very soothing. Lounge wear के लिए बिल्कुल ideal है. लेकिन मुझे इसका लेंथ पसंद नहीं आया एंड these should mandatorily have pockets. They should really have pockets. Otherwise, they are pretty nice. Now let's move on to what Vivek got for himself. तो विवेक के 3 चीज़ें हैं basically, and all 3 of his things are green in color. So finally from black and blue we've shifted to green. Nice. So ये सारी चीज़ें उसने खुद ही सिलेक्ट की है अपने लिए। बेसिकली जब मैं अपनी चीज़ें देख रही थी, वो मेंस सेक्शन में अपनी चीज़ें देख रहा था। जूडियो का मेंस कलेक्शन भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, लेकिन अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे, I don't think there is absolutely any competition between the men's section and the women's section, because women's section की चीज़ें और भी ज़्यादा अच्छी है और भी ज़्यादा वहाँ पे ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाएंगे। सो विवेक ने ये एक शॉर्ट्स लिया है अपने लिए, ये प्रॉपर कॉटन मटेरियल का है, पीछे इसमें एक बैक पॉकेट है, लाइक यू कैन सी दिस इज द बैक पॉकेट एंड ये ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर में है। आई लव दिस शेड, मुझे ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर बहुत पसंद है एंड विवेक स्पेसिफिकली ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर में ना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, सो ही ऑप्टेड दिस कलर। एंड इसके ऊपर ना ऐसे लिखा हुआ है हाई ऑन चाय, high on chai is what is written here, which I think is sort of an irony because he is not much of a chai person, he's a coffee person, but उसको coffee print का I guess कुछ नहीं मिला, so he went in for this high on chai वाला shorts. This was for ₹199. Oh my god, ₹199 के लिए बहुत ही amazing है ये shorts from Zudio. And next up उसने अपने लिए एक टी शर्ट लिया है which is not really olive green color. It's definitely green but not olive green. This is the t-shirt that he's taken for himself. ये पूरा ऐसे बेसिक प्लेन टी शर्ट नहीं है, इसके ऊपर एक मैसेज लिखा हुआ है which says it's the will not the skill, like it. So बहुत ही comfortable है. Again the t-shirt was also for ₹199. And the last thing which he went in for is sort of a, not really a track pant, it's somewhere between a track pant and a pajama, like lounge wear again for him. This is for 399 rupees, and this is what the pajama, the track pant looks like. I think काफ़ी सही लग रहा है ये देखने में, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है ये देखने में definitely. So yeah, this was all for the clothes that we got from Zudio. Besides that, हमने 2 perfumes लिए हैं, एक मेरे लिए, एक विवेक के लिए. So the one that I got for myself is called Shine. This is the EDP. मैंने Shine का, if I'm not wrong, पहले body mist use किया हुआ है from Zudio, not the perfume. I think the perfumes are a new launch. I didn't see it the last time. This one costed me rupees 299. इसका एक्सपायरी बेसिकली है 3 साल का, एंड इसमें आपको मिलता है 50 ml of perfume. And Vivek got for himself the Intense EDP. This is the one. This one was also for 299 if I'm not wrong. मैं इसका पैकेजिंग नहीं ओपन कर रही हूँ परफ्यूम्स का, बट या बोथ ऑफ देम वर रियली रियली गुड. अगर आप परफ्यूम देख रहे हो Zudio से, आप डेफिनेटली ये दोनों चेकआउट कर सकते हो. यहाँ पे लिखा है फ्रेग्रेंस डेवलप्ड इन UK, which is great, but for the clothes they are definitely made in India. So अगर आप लोग को Zudio beauty section से कुछ चेकआउट करना ही है, you can definitely check out their perfumes and their body mists. I will not recommend their shower gel or their foundations or their lip glosses or lip balms or lipsticks so much. I mean, of course you get attracted because of the price, but you have to understand that you are applying them directly on your skin, so you have to be a little choosy and a little particular and careful when you're applying something directly on your skin. That's it, you guys. That's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and of course subscribe to my channel before you leave. And yeah, I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.